Hi, my name is Tatiana Kuznetsova Dimitrieva. I'm from Cyprus. I'm a small business owner and I have my business already for 11 years. But it was difficult to be this business in this market because Cyprus by itself is a very small place and we have a lot of business-minded people. And TalkFusion greatly helped me to succeed. TalkFusion gave me the platform for marketing communication that I can save my business in this difficult period. And also it gave me opportunity to have another extra business of TalkFusion. And this is opportunity not only for me but for everybody who stay in Cyprus and stay around the Cyprus and in the world, because from your office, from your house, you can have a really global business. You don't have to travel. And if you want to travel, TalkFusion gives you opportunity. You can earn money and go for any event, such great event like we have here in Tampa, Florida, and you will get inspired to do, create, and make more achievements for yourself and for your family and for your country. Thank you.